Hello, I'm Christine Visconti with the Oldendorf Group. Welcome to 485 Plainfield Avenue in Berkeley Heights. This 4-bedroom, 3 full bath cape is located in a sought-after neighborhood close to commuter trains to New York City and the charming downtown area. Step inside to the open concept family room, dining area, and a beautifully updated kitchen featuring granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. You will also find 2 bedrooms that are well served by an updated full bathroom. The second floor offers 2 large bedrooms accompanied by a newly renovated bathroom. Lower level features a recreation room, laundry room, full bathroom, and access to the garage. If you're looking for a move-in ready home close to commuter trains in Berkeley Heights, then welcome home.